All right, our top story tonight is the weather, as Lawrence has been talking about. KRON 4's Gayle is with us now in Half Moon Bay, live along the coast. Gayle, I imagine it's blustery there.
Yes, right now we're seeing a break in the rain and maybe it's a little misty now. We're starting to feel those post-frontal showers Lawrence was talking about. Earlier today we have video. It was coming down. It was stronger earlier in the afternoon. So I arrived here to the area around 12:30. That's when we started to see some light rain, and then it intensified towards 1 to 2 p.m. So far, didn't really damper anyone's plans out here. A lot of people still have to work and people were still out and about. Here's a listen of what people had to say about the weather.
Any day's a great day to be out, especially when you're over here at Barbara's and you're here with friends on a Good Friday. It couldn't be any better.
California needs it. Quit crying, everybody. I'll get a little wet and get a martini.
Yes, it is Friday, so I just saw family here from New Jersey who are visiting, and they weren't expecting some rain in California, but here we are, some spring weather here, and it has been breezy. It was picking up a little bit just a moment ago. This was about 15 miles per hour. It's the anemometer here, and you can see just cloudy skies out here. It was sunny, I can tell you, 5 minutes ago. So still unsettled weather out here. People are starting to take some evening walks, but we'll be continuing to monitor the conditions and check back with you in the next hour. We're live in Half Moon Bay. Gayle, KRON 4 News.